Alright, so we're going to learn how to find the percent of something else. Okay, so in this scenario I'm just going to say if the bill is $50, so you go out to eat and you're paying $50. In Michigan our tax is 6%, so we want to know what is the amount of tax paid. So we need to figure out what is 6% of $50. Alright, this word of right here is key. I'm finding a part of something. Okay, that's a type of multiplication. What we call it, part of something. So the percent is a part, 6% is part of $50. That's always a type of multiplication. The word of tells us to multiply. So 6% of $50. And it just comes down to a simple multiplication problem. So I need to find 6% of $50. So I got to do 6% times $50. However, I got to change first this 6% into a decimal. So 6% into a decimal, you need to divide it by 100. 6 divided by 100, because the percent is out of 100, so we have to divide it by 100, would be 6 100ths, or you know that as 6 100ths. And this is probably the way I would go, but this is just as easy if you like decimals or fractions. So I'm going to say that I need to find 6% of it, so I got to multiply. Again, that word of means to multiply. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Placeholder, this is 0, so I know they're all going to be zeros. And now just placing the decimal, I have 0 decimal places. I have I have 2 decimal places here. So in my answer, I'm going to have 2 decimal places. And decimal places are spots after the decimal. There's 1, 2. So in my answer, I got to have 2 decimal places, meaning I'm going to pay $3 in tax. $3 in tax, and then if I wanted to get the total with the tax, then I would add the $50 to it, because tax is something you add on at the end. So your bill is $50, your tax is $3, then your total with tax is $53. Alright guys, that's percent of. Again, the of tells us to multiply, and before we can multiply, we got to change our percent into either a fraction or a decimal. Divide it by 100 to do that. Have a great day.